If you come to Fiverr right now, you can see that this person says that he will set up Chinese version of our website for $35. This person says he will do web content writing for us and translate everything for $10. So people are charging for translating website content into other language because it's not many users in the world know how to read English. They don't understand English. What they understand is their native English, which they learn in school. It's not They are not like us in Africa here, which our school system is run in English. We learn English, we write and speak in English. To understand English in other country is to take a course on its own. You can become a president without even understanding English. Accept it like that. And they are very brilliant. There are some Chinas that don't understand English, and today they are the biggest countries that are good at technology. Phone, we are using China. Motor machine, we are using China. So they are very intelligent and most of them don't understand English. So if you have a website, you are providing a good services on the website now like content, we advise you to automatically change your website content to the language that they understand. So you can't have duplicate websites. Like you create websites, you write in Arabic, you create another web page, you write in Spanish, you create another web page, you write in Russian, you'll be tired, you can't do anything. So that's why I'm here today to help you know how you can add a language translator on your website. If you visit your website right here like this, you can see on our own website we have language translator. Presently we are on English version. So if you click on it, it will show you different websites: Netherlands, France, Hausa, Yoruba, and let's say that you want to read in France. You click on it, automatically this web page will be turned to France. Both our menu, everything. If you understand French now, you can see this is it. Even all to the photo section, they are turned to France. If you want to add this thing on the website so that people from France can stay on your website to read your content, simply go to the dashboard of your website, like I'm doing here, dashboard, and you go to plugin section, click add new plugin. So we are going to search for J Translate. So this is the plugin that you are going to use. So you click install now, click activate. So now the plugin was being activated. So I'm going to click settings if you want to use it. So now it is time to select the language which you want them to appear here. When they click it, you want them to appear. There are over 50 languages on their server which you can select. This language, Sinzi, Shona, everything. Automatically Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English. This will be automatically added. So I'm going to add more by simply clicking Hausa, Yoruba, Nigeria, Romania. So after I have done that, you click Save Changes. So let us go to this website, open a new tab, and you will find out that for now we don't have anything on our web page. So to help that language translator appear, so I'm going to click show in menu and select primary menu or secondary menu. So I'm going to click primary menu. So open direction, I'm going to click top, select top, and if you come here is select bottom left. Bottom left is going to appear around here. You can choose top right. Top right is the place that this one is presently located. So after everything, you click save changes. So the changes were being changed. So I'll come back here and reload the page. So that is it. That thing has appeared. So we can translate this to any page now. Presently it is in French. So let us say that we want it to change to Russian. It is in Russian already. Both site name, they are in Russian already. So you can see this is how to change or add a Google or add a language translator on your website. For more information, you can come here if you don't want it to flow. So this is it. Nice drop down with flags. So we want it to be coming with flags like this. They have flags, and if you want it to automatically change to the language of the user's language, you come here and you turn this one on, because people from French country, if they visit your website, they need to manually turn it on. Select the language on first. But if you turn this one on, automatically they visit your website, the language will change. So after the language has changed, they start reading your content in France. So after you have done everything, you come here and you click save changes. The changes will be made. So your website will look like this. You are in Russia now. Let us say that we change it to English. So this is it. As I have changed to English, sample page, this is it. Copyright 2024 Sunnyland, powered by Astra WordPress team. It is in English presently. Let us change it to Chinese. It is in Chinese already. If Chinese people come to this website, they will see this content and they will be happy to see it, because it is their language. They can read it, and you, the website master, will be in your office, or you will be chilling with anything you want to do while people are visiting and like to interact with your website content. So this is how you can add language translator or language changer on your web page. If you know that this video has helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and comment with any question you have to ask. So goodbye and thank you for watching.